guys, welcome to my channel DiySpy. So today we will do a DIY cat holder. So let's get into the video. So the things you will need are white spray, plastic ball, scissors, black marker and pink marker. So first off, you're going to take your plastic bottle and peel off all the excess. Then you're going to roughly draw the outline of your cat, the way I'm doing here. After drawing the ears of your cat, then you're going to cut it. And you can cut it with X-Acto knife or scissors, that's your own choice. But please be careful while you're cutting it because this part is tricky. So after cutting it, this is how it will look. And then you're going to spray paint it. Make sure your paint is completely dried or everything will be ruined. So then you're going to make two triangles, which will be the ear of the cat. And then you're going to make the eyelashes of the cat because the cat is actually sleeping here. So then you're going to make a small triangle which will be the nose of your cat, and then you're going to take your black marker and draw the mouth of your cat with a little smile, and then 3 dots on the side, and then you're going to draw the whiskers of your cat. So after drawing the whiskers, your cat is ready, and in this cat holder you can put anything you want to. It's very handy, like hand frees, USB, car keys, anything. So I was inspired by this DIY from Pinterest, and I hope you guys liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe. Bye!